So if you want to book a SDWAN lab, you need to type this one, SandBox SDWAN Cisco. And you can go down here. Yeah, click on the SandBox. And I have already logged in with my Gmail. Okay. And then you see, always on is what I was showing you yesterday, but it was very limited. Just click and try out. But there is a reservation box. You need to click on this and you need to schedule for your practice. 4 hours is the lab hours. You can extend up to 8 hours. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay. So after 8 hours, I will not get any more.
No,
access.
again you have to book again.
Okay.
Again you can book and try. See, there is nothing to do for 8 hours actually speaking in SD1. Even if you do from 0 level, there is nothing to do for 8 hours.
Okay. Okay.
For
And
learning purpose, whenever you need, you book 4 hours. That is more than enough. You will need maximum 10 minutes, not more than that. 10 minutes daily.
and also we can define the policies over here.
No. Those things there are some limitation. I want to show you. Wait. I want to show you how much it will support you. As a developer, see, this is developers login. If you have an admin login, you will have a option to do changes. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
Now, you will get a mail. Once you book it, you will get a mail like this. We are preparing your Cisco DevNet SanDisk like this. After some time, you see how many minutes? 48, 59, almost 10 minutes, right?
Mm-hmm.
See the mail timing.
Mm-hmm.
It says lab is ready. Right, that is one thing. Next is you need a VPN client software. You can download from here, or if you already have it, that is good. Because this downloading, installing, restarting the laptop, it all will take time. So after you schedule the lab, you have 10 minutes for the lab to get ready. Meanwhile, you install this VPN, AnyConnect VPN software. And then you need to log in like this. Wait, let me do it from the beginning. So this is what I got from Cisco. I pasted it here and then I say connect. And it is asking me the username and password. Username, because I typed a few minutes before, it is still saved there. And the password I'm going to copy and paste. Paste and say OK. See, it is establishing a VPN session. Done. VPN is connected. Now you may go down to start the lab. Right, so here you got credentials to log into each device. See, this is developer. If I log in with admin as the username, that I can do. Yes, of course I can. You can change the policy.
Okay.
Okay, but on the vAdjust we don't do any changes. We do on the way vManage. So these are all in developers mode. If it is in admin mode, you can do some changes. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you that I'll use HTTP to log into vManage. Let's see whether it supports or not. Now go to here, more options, and you have SSH and HTTP. I go to HTTP. Wait, it's going to come. It won't take this long, but all right, we got the page. And we can see here 1 vSmart, 4 vManage, 1 vBond, 1 vManage. So far 3 times rebooted in last 24 hours. And there's no error, no warning, normal. Now, do you remember TLOC?
Yes.
What is TLOC? Which VPN uses TLOC? Or through which VPN TLOC is?
VPN 0.
Very nice. Now I'm going to show you that. This is what I was trying yesterday, which I was not showing. You remember I was saying I want SSH.
Right.
You see, it's there.
Right.
Only from here we can easily start. So I want to take you to an VH. These are all CH, Cisco's XR devices, CSR device. Let's go to VH. That will be interesting. New to us, no? It's
So
Vectela search.
VH and what is the difference in VH and CH, sir?
VH is Vectela's edge. Means Vectela was another company acquired by Cisco.
Right. Okay.
CH is Cisco's own device, CSR 1000,
Okay.
which is now supporting SDWAN.
Okay. Okay.
That's why Cisco stopped calling VH or CH. It started calling vManage.
Okay.
Now the login for this is provided to you in this. These are all CH. I'm looking for VH. Site 3 is VH. And the username is developer. Password is Cisco 12345.
C1 is C.
Yeah, I know the password. Yes, developer DEVELOPER, and the password is capital C1SCO12345. Boom. I'm inside. Yeah, I'm inside the VH device. Now I would like to show you those tunnels which are already established in this. Before that, if you see the topology here, this is the topology. Let me zoom it for you. Right now we are looking into VH. Where is the VH? Site 3 VH. You see here?
Right.
Okay. Now how many connections you see here?
2.
2 WAN connections. What are those interface names? G00
And Z01.
and G02. So these two are providing you SD-WAN tunnel, right? VPN tunnel. Tunnel interface are through this, right? Do you understand or not? Between the sites, we form tunnel.
Between the So the underlay
is this two interface. Yeah.
We are using the underlay for establishing the tunnel, right?
Of course, yes, correct.
Yes.
And these two interface is what VPN 0 will be using to identify the remote tunnel endpoints called TLOC. Agree?
Right.
Okay, that is what I'm willing to show you. I don't know whether I can change the font size. Is this too small for you?
No, it's manageable.
Okay, you see. Show, run, VPN 0. So I want you to show you what interface the VPN 0 is using. So I type show run VPN 0. Here you can see VPN 0 uses G00 and G02. Matching with the topology, right?
Right.
G00 and G02. And see the IP address 23.18, 23.50. 23.18.
Okay.
23.50.
Yes.
Now, so VPN 0 is using these two underlay. Overlay is the tunnel interface, yes or no?
Yes.
And overlay is doing what? Encapsulating with IPsec.
Okay.
And the color is MPLS. So this G00 is an MPLS connection. G00.
Okay.
This red one is an MPLS.
Okay.
WAN connection. See, it's written WAN connection.
Right.
And G00 is an IP internet.
Okay.
Let's see that one there. G02 is public internet.
Right.
That's the color.
Okay.
And G00 is MPLS.
Yes.
Both are encrypted, encapsulated with IPsec, not GRE.
Yes.
So the template here used is MPLS. The template that is used here is public internet.
Okay.
All services allowed. DHCP is allowed. DNS is allowed. ICMP is allowed. We don't have NATing, so no stun. HTTPS is allowed. That's why you are able to see this GUI, no? You're seeing this GUI, right?
Yes.
Through HTTPS, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
In HTTP, we own GUI, right?
No, it's only secure connection, HTTPS. Okay. And you see the another G02 also has got the tunnel interface. Means overlay is sitting on this underlay. This is the overlay. IP address is statically given. Now to using DHCP. Even though DHCP is enabled, we are not learning through DHCP. Color is public internet, and then ICMP, HTTP is allowed. And they have written a static route as a gateway. See, this is the gateway for internet. 23.49. 50 is the edge device IP. And this is the gateway for MPLS. See, 23.17. 23.18. Makes sense, right?
Okay.
So let us go back and see the topology. You see 17 on the WAN side,
Right.
18 on the edge side.
Right.
And 50 on the edge side, 49 on the internet side. That's what you saw.
Right.
The static route. See, this is what we are going to focus more in next day class, tomorrow's class. We can use OSPF also. You can use BGP also. You remember, even in the previous class, I delivered these things. You have static route as an option, OSPF is an option, BGP is an option. Yeah. Here they have static route as an option.
Sorry, pardon, sir. Here we have
here we are having static route. Oh yeah, default route as an option. This is static only, no?
Yes.
Not dynamic routing. Yes. Okay. Now I want to show you those templates that are used under VPN 0. For that I'll go here. See the settings button, no? Settings.
Okay.
If you go down, you will see templates. And now there are a lot of templates like non-default, default, all. I have all templates
here.
Just
a minute, sir. Sir, please, sir. Just a minute, sir.
So I have all these templates. These are all templates. Some are default templates, some are non-default templates. I'm displaying you all the templates.
So what is the use of this template?
Wait. I just want to show you the template that was used in that VPN 0. You see, when I SSH to this device, you saw color, lot of things, right? Mapped under VPN 0.
Right.
Let me log in. Developer DV. C1 SEO 1 2 3 4 5. You see, I was telling you show run VPN 0. See, these things are applied to this interface
Right.
VPN 0 through a template only.
Right. Right.
This is what I want to show you in GUI. All right. For example, if you see here, BGP is off. Where is it, BGP? Anyway, it's not mentioned. Oh yeah, here. BGP is not allowed. Is that right?
Okay. Yes.
And OSPF is also off. For what? For interface G00. I want to show you all these things in the template where these things are defined. If you change there, it will change here. You're not going to work on CLI, right?
Right.
I started with CLI because we are CLI guys. But where we define how these things come here, that's what I'm trying to show. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So going back to settings and go to templates. And that was that was vEdge. So I'm going to type.
Sir, in real world, where this template, where I will see this template?
Here only.
No, this is the console of the vManage, right?
Of course, yes. You can see only on vManage.
Okay. So the console will be same on the vManage, right? What we are seeing here, it's similar like the real device, or it's a
It is
real
real
device.
device. Actually, we can
Okay.
see all device from vManage.
Okay.
You can see all device. Now I want
Okay.
to know the name of this. Okay, site 3 vEdge. That's how the name will be. They should have given site _3.
The third one, sir. The third one.
No.
The third one.
Not. I'm looking for MPLS template. No, not this. Wait, let us go back to the command line. Oh Lord, let me try the third one. Maybe it will be inside this. So to know this, we need to go click edit. Yeah, exactly. This is what I was looking for. Now, this VPN 0 is for transport and management, right? Transport is VPN 0. Management is 512, correct? VPN.
Yes. Management is
512.
site 12.
VPN ID 0 and 512. You don't remember?
512, sir. I am unable to understand your pronunciation.
512.
Yes. Yes. I got it. Yes.
Now, so I'm clicking on transport and management because we are looking into VPN 0, not service VPN.
Right.
What is service VPN? We provide some service, maybe go through firewall, go through load balance. That is service VPN. Our traffic.
Right.
This is the overlay traffic. Overlay management traffic means this is the management traffic that builds the overlay, the tunnel. So I click on transport. Transport means the one which works with the MPLS and internet. You see, VPN 0 is using a template called MPLS and template called
Public internet.
public internet. We saw that two things there.
Yeah. At the top, sir.
Here itself, you see. This is given to interface G00. Where is the topology? G00 MPLS.
Right.
So this is given to G00 interface, and this is given to G02 interface.
Right.
Right, and then I want to show you. I'll make a note in a notepad because I need to know the name of this. This is user-defined name, no? So I want to open these things and show you. VPN interface is site _3_ VPN _0_ MPLS underscore template. I want to show you this template, how it looks like inside. For that, what you need to do is, you need to go to the top. You see features here?
Yes.
Click on this. And then here also you have all default. Now I need to paste this and search. Okay, look at this. This is the one.
Yes.
I click on here, I say view. Now you will see all that you saw under the interface. What it is shown here, it shows the interface is on. Is it shut down or what? Was it shut
Yes,
down?
no,
It was
no,
not
it's on.
So here it is. And what is this small round, the global symbol? It means this one particular option is common for all interfaces, not only for this interface, not only for this VH. It's from the common policy. And this shows where it is applied. It is applied to an interface. And this is the name, VPN MPLS interface. And there is no description given. If you have a tick mark, it is default. Nothing is done, default. Is it IPv4, IPv6, IPv6? And they have used static route. You saw that, right? There was a static route. They did not enable routing protocol. And then, look at this. Did you see any tunnel interface under VPN 0? Yes. Tunnel was on. Did you see color? What was the color you saw?
Yes.
TLOC
MPLS.
color. MPLS, you see it is there. You cannot change it. That's the limitation of this simulator. So this the simulator. You cannot change it. Whatever they have already done, you can see.
So I cannot practice configuration over here, right?
That I need to find some way. Right now, it is better than yesterday's, correct?
Right.
Yeah. So this is free. So there will be some limitation, but if I get admin rights, I'll check with that thing. Then you can change it. It is still under developer only now. This one. Now restrict.
Sir, we have logged into vManage, right?
Correct. But
so in vManage we have used the username as admin.
Admin, but still, I don't see these things available for me, which means I'm not an admin. Even though the username says admin, it is still a developer only.
Okay.
Okay. I was thinking like if they put admin, then they will give me admin rights, but no. Okay, fine. Here you see the color is MPLS.
Right.
This is local to this vManage, sorry, VH specifically. Now, what is this restrict means? See, restrict this TLOC behavior. What is this restrict means? If restrict is on, I'll tell you what it means. If restrict is on, the color should match on either side. Only then tunnel will be established. If the restrict is on, the tunnel between the VHS, between the edge device will establish only if the color matches. If it is off, even if the color doesn't match, that doesn't care. That doesn't matter. You understand?
Yes.
The TLOC properties must match on either side. Only then the tunnel will be established if this is on. But here they have offed it. Meaning there may be some mismatch between two edge devices. Fine. And what are the other things that I want to focus now? So you remember BGP was off.
Right.
DHCP was on. DNS was on. ICMP was on. Headconf off. And then OSPF was off. HTTP was on. SHUN was off. Yeah? All these were off. NATing is off, no NATing. All right. Next is VRRP. If you want to have, if you have multiple edge device in a site, if you have multiple edge device, you may use VRRP.
Okay.
And you can have ACL, quality of service, ingress, egress policies, and .1x. So in advanced option, you can have like duplex. All this you can have under this template. If you define this here, you can see those things happening on where? On the CLI. See, if you don't know what is XConnect, then you will not use this. XConnect is for layer 2 VPN.
Okay.
Today, morning batch, MPLS batch, I have delivered this XConnect. I'll show you the video.
Okay.
This video teaches about XConnect with the lab.
Okay.
You can watch this. That's an MPLS layer 2 VPN, okay? So, likewise, you can use GRE as an option or IPsec as an option. Let's see what is enabled here. We saw in the command line it was encapsulation IPsec, right? So what is seen in the template? Why I'm not seeing that? Maybe it will be under the advanced. Go down, down. There should be encapsulation. Here advanced option. Okay. Okay, now if you go up, you see? Our option was IPsec under the command line. GRE was off.
Right.
So wait, whole time, NAT, hello interval, GRE, terminal destination IP. So whatever you saw in the command line, you're able to see here. Right. So this is what I have it for.